Hi everyone guys, in our new video. Sorry for being inactive for last 3 weeks. I had a short vacation, I was in Italy and I decided not to work on any kind of videos at all. But still I received a lot of the messages from people who want to invest in MQL5 website, messages with the question, can I recommend the signals for subscription but exact signal with the links? And you know, I check videos for last maybe 4 months as I was talking a lot about MQL5, but how to filter the signal with my Excel file, how to avoid the trading strategies and signals with the martingale, or how to count the risk, but I didn't mention my recommendation. Last 2 months I was in the deep search for something special that first of all I can use for myself, because all these recommending signals I'm testing them by myself and investing them my own money. And after this searching I found something new, because one point to give you just list of the signal and totally different give you signals that based on them you can build a portfolio with the proper risk management and diversification. Because you know, during all my experience I understood there is just one strategy will give you chance to generate consistent profit, and this is diversification. So I found 4 very beautiful signals that based on them we can build a proper portfolio, and you can join by the way this portfolio and investing with me. So let me go to my laptop and I will show you everything. First time I tried to subscribe to the signal provider in MQL5 website in the end of 2020, and during this period of time I test more than 50 signal providers, but 100% of them I was using for MetaTrader 4, because if we'll go to MQL5 website you can see their signals for 2 trading terminals, MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4. For my personal opinion, MetaTrader 5 is way better, and all our personal stuff with the creating bots, indicators, testing them, optimizations we are doing on MetaTrader 5. But still, in the signal section, there was more traders for MetaTrader 4. Let's say a long time ago when I was doing parsing to my Excel file, I was able to count around 5,000 signals for MetaTrader 4. For MetaTrader 5, just maybe 1,000 signals. This is it. But because of you, my subscribers, you was pushing me, Alex, start checking MetaTrader 5. I really did a new parsing and I found signals way better quality, you know, that I really can subscribe to them. I will do this and I can recommend it to you. But how it's working in general, everything for me. So I'm parsing all the signal to my Excel file, because there I'm able to do the filtration, let's say based on the price, if it's algo trading, no, how many weeks it should trade. By the way, I'm not searching for the signal that trading less than 30 weeks, it's almost 1 year, how many trades per week he's doing, what kind of profit, everything, drawdown, recovery factor, you know, all the criteria. By the way, I already explained in one of my videos all these criteria, so I highly recommend to check. And then I found 4 signals. I will not go very deep like what kind of strategies they are using, you know, but I want to explain you the logic of diversification, because even without understanding exactly their strategy, and to be honest, even I'm with the experience, I'm experienced more than 10 years, I still can't understand how they are trading based on the trading history. But what I can understand, what kind of instruments they are using and if they are using martingale or no. So I choose 4 signals. Number 1, this is RTT Trendway. This signal provider trading in the start trading or streaming their signals in the second part of 2023. It's almost 1 year. This year he already generate 100% of the profit, maximum drawdown just 12%, profit rate 69. What I'm doing next, I check everything is fine, then I'm going to check like how it's look like on the chart, how its trades look like in the chart. It's also very important. I'm opening MetaTrader, I'm going to the search, putting him into the search, and then there is the special button that we should trade, like we should check, especially for who's experienced, visualize on the chart. For me it's very important not to see this grid, you know, when averaging and martingale is doing. And when I open it I can see exactly, yes, he's trading without any kind of of risk management that we can't accept risky style of the trading, like martingale and everything. Sometimes getting minuses, sometimes pluses, but for us the most important point, I don't want to see there any kind of greed, and it's clear all of them, they are not using any kind of greed style of trading. But right now I want to mention you about diversification point. My point was to create the portfolio that will allow us to diversify, because diversification might be in two kind of ways: the same strategy, but diversification by using different instruments, and the second point by strategy. So in this portfolio, by using these 4 signals, we will diversify in both ways in the same time. For example, this guy, as you can see symbols, he's using just currencies, mostly currencies trading. So there is one strategist in different currency instruments. Good, close, done. Another signal that I can recommend, it's calling 1 kilometer. So this is person, signal provider, he's trading just based on the gold. Also results is really nice regarding his own profit. You know, maximum drawdown 20 cents per, a little bit more risky in comparison for the previous one, but we can check our trading volume, and if we need, we'll cut it, make it less, we can choose whatever we want, you know. But he's trading, you see, gold. So for our previous signal, the trading like with the currencies, we are adding gold with totally different strategy. The third signal from the Spanish signal provider, CFE Impulse, he's trading Bitcoin and Ethereum, also without any kind of the martingale. So for our portfolio, we are adding new instruments and new strategy for the trading, and also very nice results. So this year he already made 153% of the profit with the maximum drawdown of 20%. And the fourth one, it's calling index trading. Why I like especially this signal? Because it's totally new approach of trading. You know, in the Forex, people what they are trading mostly currencies, gold, then they are trading from the indexes Dow Jones, you know, and some of the crypto instruments. But this guy, he's paying attention just on the indexes. If we'll go to statistic and we'll check his deals distribution, he's trading different varieties of the instrument, and with this approach he's able to generate a profit. So we are taking from it something new. Yes, it's less, it's lower profit, but also balance in 7,000. So in comparison, 1% to his balance, it's good profit with the maximum drawdown, by the way, 11%, and with the trades 84, profitable trades of 84%. So based on all these 4 signals with totally different kinds of the instrument, I decide to make a portfolio, and let's make a subscription to them right now, because I want to show you the details with this percentage of subscription, because it's very important. So let's do this. So guys, I already prepared 4 accounts, all of them it's live, because in MQL5 you are not allowed to subscribe to the demo accounts anymore. And here on the balance, you see I prepared $150 because this is what we need. Right now we are going to NTT Trendway, 4 accounts, $10,000 each, and I want to show you how to work with this percentage, because this is the most important. Let us go right now to the signal sections, and we are going to the search signal. We will open this signal here, then we are trying to subscribe, okay, for 1 month from MQL5, and then we can see exactly this kind of things. This is very important. Right now we need to count this percentage, you see, used in more than 70. If I want to trade with the same trading volume like this guy he is using, we need to use some calculator stuff. Calculation, he has his balance right now 5,000, let's say $2, divide on $10,000, this is what I have on my account, and multiply 100. We have right now 50. We will put here, let's say if I want all my trades to have almost the same volume, I will put 52%, and okay, you see, and it's already connected and there is no trades. Let us go to connect to another account. Yes, we are already there, and we are searching for another signal. This is the 1 kilometer. What I will do, I will connect to all of them with the same trading volume. And by the way, you can join my investor's journey. You can also join me in this kind of things. But what I will do for you, through my account, I can stream to yours and change the volume. This is also very important because they are not equal with the risk, but for you, and I will show you in my next video, so don't forget to subscribe, how I will stream this to the smaller account, because you can tell me, okay, so this is the $40,000, it's a little bit different. No, I can stream for any kind of account, but by playing with this volume. We are going to search this signal, 1 kilometer. Let's open our MetaTrader, search. Yes, we have this 1 kilometer. Nice. And we will choose. Okay, so everything is there. We have account number 2. We're trying to subscribe to him. Subscribe for $39, 1 month from MQL5. And again, we need to count this percentage in the proper way. So what is his balance? His balance right now 4,441. Let's do like that. For 5,441, we will divide on our 10,000 balance on the account and multiply 100. It will be around 55%. So we are going here and putting again 55%. Let's go. It's already connected here. Then we'll connect our account number 3. So guys, 3 accounts is already done, and let me help you to count the percentage for the last account. So one more time, we should open with you the calculator, and then how we are counting. Right now we are choosing the balance of signal provider, 7,093. I should divide on the balance of, let's say, my account, it's $10,000, and then we are multiplying on 100, and then we can see it's around 72% if we want to trade with the same trading history. As I know, in MQL5 they are putting some limitation that you can't copy the account with the smaller deposit in comparison to signal provider. But let's say you can ask me question, how can I copy the signal if on my balance just, let's say, $1,000? This is the point why you should contact me, because I have a special copy trading system when I'm doing subscription by myself, and I can stream on your account everything. Let's say if we're going to my Excel file, even right now it's not subscription like proper way, because this signal is trading with the maximum risk of, let's say, $700. This guy trading with the maximum risk of 500, but as, let's say, this signal provider, he's already trading with the high trading volume, I will not increase. I will still put on him maximum drawdown of $700, but I will not increase the trading volume. In this current situation, in this bot, in this signal provider, he's trading with the maximum risk just was 347, so I can allow myself to increase this percentage. But even if you have the account of $1,000, $2,000, or even, let's say, $4,000, for you to build this portfolio, it's a little bit risky, but we can play with the trading volume, but using different kinds of the copy trading services. Let's say this guy, he's trading with this guy, RTT Trendway, he's trading with the risk of $691. What we can do, we can go to his trading history, and as we can see, he's trading with the volume, his starting volume 0.2, so we can easily start trading with, let's say, 0.4, by dividing the maximum risk in the 5 times, because if we will trade with the trading volume 5 times lower, our maximum risk automatically will be 5 times less. And if we'll divide all of them, let's say, by 5, automatically will decrease our risk from this maximum one. What is the maximum risk of this 4 volume? Let it be, it's like already 1329, 1675. It's almost total risk. If we will subscribe to the signal in the same way, it will be 2200, let's say 2500, you know. But if dividing by 5, our maximum risk will be just 500, and I'm counting the worst scenario if all this risk, all this drawdown happen in the same time. In theory it might be, in reality it will never happen. So even if, let's say, we invest $1000 to all trading volume of all the signals providers, we will divide 5, we will be able to trade, to hold maximum risk of 30% with the proper diversification. That was the major point of this video. Maybe it's a little bit difficult for you, but no one's saying that this kind of investment is simple. But anyway, you have me. If you need more details from my side, feel free to contact me anytime. I will leave my Telegram in the description to this video, and I will help you to have the same portfolio of the signals on your accounts. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in our next ones.